guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aries. Today it's a little something different. I've left the house. I know, crazy. But it's a gorgeous day and I just bought a bike! Yeah, I know, like I just bought a spin bike so that I could bike inside, but now I bought a bike so that I can bike outside, because it makes sense, right? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna need a bike eventually to do a triathlon on, so I figured might as well get used to riding a bike outside, and this one could be used for the triathlon if I want to, but I could also end up buying a better one once that time comes around, because let's be honest, I need a lot of work before we're even close to doing one of those. But we're out enjoying the beautiful weather and testing this new bike out. I literally bought it like 20 minutes ago. We've already done almost a 3-kilometer ride, just testing it out and seeing how it's going. And I'm so glad I made this purchase. It's not a fancy bike by any means. Straight up Canadian Tire for not very much money. On sale for $3.99. So super cheap, but it's a road and trail bike combined, a little bit more geared towards road riding. So I'm super excited to get using it and to get out. All last year I tried to convince my boyfriend a ton of times to come out on bike rides with me, and he would constantly say, I'm not really interested in biking, oh I don't really want to, blah blah blah. Not even 5 minutes into this ride, he turned to me and went, this is so much fun. So things are changing around here, guys, for the better for all of us. So we're just gonna test out the bike and see what happens. Okay, so we just got back from our bike ride. It's our first time taking the camera outside and doing this in public. So it was a little nerve-wracking, but it was a lot of fun and we had some fun with it. What I want to come on and say is, if you've noticed my shirt in this video, I am super excited to say that I've partnered with a really good friend who started her own business called Paige & Co. At Paige & Co, she designs custom clothing. It's super exciting. So I contacted her because I wanted this shirt for myself. I'm super excited because this is me, the girl with thick thighs and pretty eyes. And you guys can get it too if you enjoy it. I'll link her site below, and if you head on over to her site and use code AriesShrinks, you can get 10% off of anything on her site. She has stuff for dogs, babies, Men, women, children, everything. She is doing such an awesome job over there, and I'm so glad I get to work with her. Not only will there be this site, but eventually down the road, we're working to create more of a fitness line, and I'm so excited to get that out to the public. So once again, head on over to her site, Page & Co, linked below, and use code AriesShrinks for 10% off everything. Thank you guys so much for joining me, supporting me, and if you like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow me along on my journey to get fit-ish. Bye guys.